Well, we are Team Project Mentality. Do you know that 1 in 5 adults in the United States experience some sort of mental illnesses, and almost 13% of Americans suffer from invisible disabilities? An invisible disability is classified as a physical, mental, or neurological condition that is not visible from the outside, yet can limit or challenge a person's movements, senses, or activities. The problem we're trying to solve today is how to make mental health care and the use of technology more accessible among college students who live with an invisible disability. Our product, Project Mentality, offers 24-hour access to student mental health services, such as booking appointments with providers, complete pre-visit check-ins, filing personal information to Student Counseling Center, exchanging messages with providers, and most importantly, tracking their progress and access to data visualization. All right, let's get started. So here is the sign-in page. After this, users will need to complete a two-factor verification in order to better protect their private information. This is what user would see after they are signed in. Students will be able to enlarge fonts or enable screen reader feature if visual impairment is one of the barriers for them. Let's say I'm Dub and I haven't been feeling superb. Here's a message function. I reached out to my psychiatrist to discuss the symptoms. And we decided to make an appointment. Over here, I selected Dr. Patel and October 25th looks good. I have time at 11 a.m. One last step, information verification page. Appointment info looks right, and yes, personal information is also correct. As for daily check-in, it's a feature for me to answer a few questions a day in order to keep track of my progress, such as how have you been feeling today? Any anxiety, sleep quality, energy level, and done. To make the daily check-in accessible for students living with ADHD, designers remove distractions as much as possible and also use plain language, avoided unnecessary words to make it also easier for those with cognitive and learning disabilities. The system would then generate a visualization of my progress trend. Designers tested their designs using a color blindness simulator every step of the way. It's completely accessible for people with total color blindness. Last but not least, I can always go back to the medications that I'm on since I've been quite forgetful after having electroconvulsive therapies. It's always helpful to be reminded of this. We went out of our way to make this application perceivable, operable, understandable, and robust for people who are living with invisible disabilities. We're not building just a healthcare application that is based on capitalism. We are creating a standard for the college community that chooses to witness the existence of invisible disability and celebrate a higher level of understanding of accessibility. Thank you.